You can see that it's it's round and is very thin. It's less than a millimeter thick. Thousands of these usually come out of one single crystal. Now the wafer would then be polished to an absolutely flat surface, better than most mirrors, a mirror polish. And then what we have is called a wafer, and this is the sort of the raw base building material for making chips. Now, what happens is the wafer is put into a process that's a photolithographic process. We take a mask, which is, could call it like a negative. We shine a light through it, and we literally etch the various dye into the wafer. I'm going to show you an example here. This is an example of a wafer that has 177 finished